Hi everyone. Today we are here at Diwar Island up to do something really exciting. We are going for a mangrove safari. Our guide Mr. Amrut Purvaikar will be taking us on a boat ride through this incredible ecosystem and hopefully we'll spot some amazing wildlife on our way. So let's go.
Hi, good morning and welcome to Goa Say Boat Rides at the Red Mangrove Safari. Okay. So right now we are sailing in the river Mandovi, okay, in a boat called Yadon Ki Kashti. Okay. So this river Mandovi originates in Karnataka in Western Ghats. So there are about 35 to 40 small tributaries contribute to this river. This river actually flows in three states. It originates in Karnataka and flows towards Maharashtra, and then it comes all the way to Goa. The total length of the river is 111 kilometers. So this river finally meets Arabian Sea in Panjim. Okay. So now this is a mixture of two waters, having fresh water source from Karnataka side and the salty water from Arabian Sea. So it's a backwaters. So that's why I see lots of mangroves growing around this place. So there are about 16 species of mangroves in Goa. Around this place we find 13. So as we proceed, I'll let you know about different types of mangroves and the flora and fauna of this place. Okay. In Konkani, it's called Ban. It is said before this wall came into existence, all the low-lying places in Diwar were the part of this river. Means during high tide, water is to go up to them. So our ancestors some 3000 years back erected this wall and they claimed that land for cultivation and paddy was cultivated in the rainy season. Okay. So that's called Khazan land cultivation, and it is said the process of cultivating Khazan land started in Goa some 3000 years back. So here you can see this fishing technique. Both ends of this net are sealed to the mainland and the downward part is buried down in the soil and the upper part is free, okay, when they lay the net. So when they raise it up, they have to come in a small canoe and raise this upper end and tie it to the sticks. So the shore gets barricaded. They wait for the next tide for the water to go down and they simply collect the fish that is on the land over there. So this species of mangroves is called Candelia trees. Okay. So there you can see something hanging down like drumsticks. So these are propagules. This thing helps the plant in propagation. So being heavier and pointed at the bottom, they fall to the ground and get themselves self planted. Okay. And if it falls in water during high tide, the propagule will float upright. Okay. The sprout is always above the water. No matter the propagule will travel with the tide for months, but wherever it finds place in the mud, there it germinates. So it's a very invasive species, like spreading very fast around this place. I think in a decade or two, most of the trees around this place will be of these Candelia trees. So I have one question for you. Why the name Candelia? So these trees with many roots you see over here, these are Asian mangroves, also known as red mangroves. Okay, there you can see many roots propping down. So these roots are termed as prop roots, and these trees are from Rhizophora family. So Rhizophora is a Greek word meaning rhizo means roots, and phora means to bear. So these are root bearing trees. I think there is a croc over there. See. So this species of mangroves is known as Salvador persica. It's a medicinal plant. So it's also known as toothbrush tree. So this type of fishing technique, it's called gill net. Okay, so this net flows with the current of the water, and fishes, they usually swim in opposite direction. So net flowing with the water and fishes swimming in opposite direction, that's how they are trapped. And this is a little baby mullet, state fish of Goa.
What an adventurous boat ride that was. सच में इस यादों की कश्ती में हमने बहुत सारी यादें बनाई. If you want to experience such a wondrous experience, bring your family along, give a call to Mr. Amrut and take back loads of memories with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.